Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Welcome back to Crochet Mart. Very smart and unique ideas. We will share creative and inspiring tips for your home decor. Today's video is all about very beautiful and unique rugs which will take very specific space at your home. Dear viewers, if you still not subscribe the channel, please subscribe now so that you can find all new videos for your home decor. Crochet rugs offers memories benefits. Soft and cozy. Crochet rugs are incredibly soft and comfortable underfoot. Warmth. They provide excellent insulation and warmth. Durability. Well-made crochet rugs can last for years. Easy maintenance. Maintenance washable and dryable. Slip resistant. Crochet rugs provide traction, reducing slips. Versatility. Suitable for various rooms and decor styles. Personalized. Create custom size, colors and designs. Eco-friendly. Use sustainable yarns, purpose materials. Noise reduction. Crochet rugs absorb sounds. Add texture, color and visual interest. Handmade charm. Unique handmade quality. Improved air quality. Natural fibers absorb. Crochet rugs dry quickly. Pet friendly. Easy to clean. Resistant to pet stains. Dye friendly. Create your own customer rugs. Budget friendly. Cost effective alternative and traditional rugs. Space definition. Define areas within open plan spaces. Reduce echo, improve sound quality. Thermal insulation. Keep floors warm in winter, cool in summer. Passed down through generations. Crochet rugs brings warmth, comfort and style to your home while offering practical benefits. Happy crocheting! With the happy ending today's video. Hope we'll meet you in next video with another very smart and unique ideas. Thank you very much for watching.